It started. All right. Hello, everyone. I'm Edmond Jacopo. I'm very excited to be here. I work for SGS for more than 2 years as a senior data scientist. I am developing AI for automated compliance assessment, and I am responsible for the high energy cargo part of our AI. And the reason why I'm so excited to be here is that I'm planning to make this presentation for more than a year because it's about image captioning and chatbots, and we believe this is a very innovative and concrete AI innovation. At least if you consider like us that ChatGPT is real AI innovation because it's a similar technology. So ChatGPT, not everyone knows, but it can recognize images too. You can put this picture of big cat and ask ChatGPT what it is, how much it weighs, and ChatGPT gives you a very correct answer. Can estimate even the weight of the cat. Well, the cat was 11 kilograms, but more or less it's correct. Wow. Now let's see what ChatGPT can do with X-ray images. This is a high energy cargo image, and we are asking ChatGPT to recognize it. Maybe some people already know, but the answer is not so satisfactory. ChatGPT is just blurry about ChatGPT is a bit blurry about what's inside the truck. Sorry, I just wanted to point. But you saw that it was saying basically that there is a dark area, a less dark area, there are rectangular stuff, but it was nowhere saying the content of the truck clearly. The AI is not specialized on customs data, and we did this. We trained an AI, a vision language model, to recognize and describe textually what's contained in the truck. And I give you a few seconds to try to recognize this as a blind test. Some people recognize bottles, but the AI is much more precise than this. It recognizes actually lubricants. Here you can see the description, here the HS description, all the digits of the HS code, all of them. We couldn't show them all because we wanted to respect the privacy of our partner. But yeah, all the HS codes, all the digits, sorry. The quantity, sometimes the format is putting everything in the quantity and not nothing in the packing, sometimes the contrary. There are many different ways to fill the declaration. Sorry, I wanted to go very fast because I have many things to say. Another example, a normal one, not a fraud again. So diapers, you can see the AI recognize them, all of them. The AI is not perfect. We are not those people pretending AI is perfect. AI make mistakes, human make mistakes, and our AI make mistakes, like ChatGPT. But we can see this example, the AI was very correct. That's obviously most of the cases. Otherwise, we wouldn't have put in production such a model. So this is not prototype, huh? It's in production, running. All the digits, the descriptions, the quantity, so we can see it's not so correct on the quantity of diapers, but okay, this doesn't work. Now let's see frauds. This was given to us by customs. They tried to see if we could recognize what's inside, because the declaration was totally wrong. It was saying that it was paperboard, whatever. And the AI is actually trained on customs data and declarations with what is supposedly poisoned data. We could expect the AI to predict paper because it's trained on such data, but actually we can see the AI predicting hair clippers, electric motor. So it recognized the motorbikes even though it's trained on declaration data. So it dared to contradict the declaration. So So you can see the compliance score measuring the level of correspondence between the image and the declaration. So yeah. Another fraud, here it's heterogeneous goods, declared as homogeneous goods. And yeah, we can see the AI, even though predicted, still passed out. Still the level of confidence on that best guess is very low, so still the AI found the fraud. And this was not given to us by customs, it's us finding it and asking our experts to verify if it was actually a fraud. I have to go very fast, I have 4 minutes. So this is about the process, how we can train the AI on-premise or on the cloud. And what makes us different is that we specialize our AI on every specific customs data. So that's the classical method for recognizing images, more or less, because some can find a bounding box location, but that's more or less the same thing. You put image, you have categories as output, still, which is not so precise, but actually when you use a vision language model, you put the image as input, 1 or 2, you can put the description, you can be very precise about the context, you can put Brazil, you can say it's the scanner number 4, you can give the brand of the scanner, the age of the scanner, whatever you want. We fix the question because we believe we don't want to give the freedom of the user to ask many different questions. We wanted to compare apples with apples when we have a compliance score. You don't want to ask different questions like where is located the steel and where is the steel located. It doesn't give the same level of confidence. So we fixed the question. That's why I'm talking about image captioning and not chatbot. We can also have a higher level of automation this way. So you can see a JSON for those who are familiar. Now let's talk about zero-shot learning. Zero-shot learning is very simple actually. You can imagine this as a blind person who acquired very recently sight. You can expect that person walking by a lake, seeing a fish inside the lake for the first time of his life, because that person has a general knowledge about the world and animals. That person you can expect to recognize the fish anyway. So vision language model who acquired a lot of data from internet, Wikipedia, public data sets, you can expect they do the same. And so we checked a simple case where we are sure it's the case. So this is some type of example. So you can see this is detergent declared and predicted, but the detergent which was recognized by the AI is Purex, and Purex was nowhere in the database. It was probably in the large language models pre-training data, but it was not in our customs data. We can also expect that if we add cocaine inside the declaration, we can still verify the compliance score and see how it behaves when you add the cocaine. We actually did this and it dropped significantly. That shows that the declaration with cocaine is very uncompliant. Therefore, the AI is saying the cocaine is absent from the track. So that's it. We are at booth 41 or 42 if you have more questions, because I had to go very fast, I'm sorry.